Surah Al-Fajr, the dawn. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 30 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والفجر
By the dawn,
وليال عشر
and by the 10 nights,
والشفع والوتر
and by the even and the odd,
والليل إذا يسر
and by the night when it departs.
هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر.
Is there an oath in that for the intelligent?
ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد.
Did you not see what your Lord did to Ad?
إرم ذات العماد.
The people of Iram towering like pillars,
التي لم يخلق مثلها في البلاد.
the like of whom were never created in the lands.
وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد.
And Thamud, who hewed rocks in the valley.
وفرعون ذي الأوتاد.
And Pharaoh, the possessor of spikes.
الذين طغوا في البلاد.
Those who rebelled in the lands.
فأكثروا فيها الفساد.
Then they spread much discord therein.
فصب عليهم ربك سوط عذاب.
So your Lord unleashed a scourge of punishment upon them.
إن ربك لبالمرصاد.
Certainly your Lord is watching.
فأما الإنسان إذا ما ابتلاه ربه فأكرمه ونعمه فيقول ربي أكرمن.
So as for man, whenever his Lord tests him, then he honors him and grants him favor. So he says, my Lord has honored me.
وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه فيقول ربي أهانن.
And as for whenever he tests him, then he restricts his sustenance. So he says, my Lord has humiliated me.
كلا بل لا تكرمون اليتيم.
Certainly not. You do not honor the orphan.
ولا تحاضون على طعام المسكين.
And you do not encourage one another to feed the destitute.
وتأكلون التراث أكلا لما.
And you consume all inheritance after amassing it.
وتحبون المال حبا جما.
And you love wealth excessively.
كلا إذا دكت الأرض دكا دكا.
Indeed, when the earth will be crushed into dust.
وجاء ربك والملك صفا صفا.
And, i.e. the judgment of your Lord will come with angels in rows.
وجيء يومئذ بجهنم يومئذ يتذكر الإنسان وأنى له الذكرى.
And on that day, hell will be brought forth. Man will reflect on that day. And now, how is there time for him to reflect?
يقول يا ليتني قدمت لحياتي.
He will say, alas, would that I had sent forth goodness for my life.
فيومئذ لا يعذب عذابه أحد.
So on that day, none will punish like his punishment.
ولا يوثق وثاقه أحد.
And none will bind like his binding.
يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة.
O contented soul,
ارجعي إلى ربك راضية مرضية.
Return to your Lord while you are pleased with him, and he is pleased with you.
فادخلي في عبادي.
Then enter among my chosen ones,
وادخلي جنتي.
and enter my paradise.